everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Peachy Presh. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Peachy Presh. I am going to be doing a 3-strand twist out on my hair. This is the first time that I'm doing 3-strand twist out. Last time I believe I did a 2-strand twist out, and this time we're going to do a 3-strand twist out. Go ahead and use this Cream of Nature. This is the coconut milk hydrating curling cream, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Hey y'all, so I'm going to be trying to explain how to do a 3-strand twist. Essentially, it is a 2-strand twist, but adding one extra piece of hair. I'm starting off this 3-strand twist from right to left. So I'm going to be taking one strand of hair from the trio and alternate over the other 2 strands, making sure the 2 strands of hair that I have on the right side, keeping them together while taking the one strand of hair and alternating it over the other 2 strands of hair. So basically what you're going to be doing is, if you were to be doing a 2-strand twist, you'll be alternating them over each other. Whereas a 3-strand twist, you're only going to be having that one single strand and alternating it over the other 2. So you're going to take turns with each leg by alternating one leg over the other 2. That's basically how you do a 3-strand twist. It's very different from a braid, and it's very different from a 2-strand twist. But if you take a close look at how I'm positioning my hands, you'll be able to get a visual representation of what it is and how a 3-strand twist is different from a braid or even a 2-strand twist. Take a closer look at the next clip. You'll be able to see an up-close idea of what it looks like for the 3-strand twist. I'll be able to show you a better idea of what it looks like.
just give it up. I'm not your girl, cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together. When I feel done with having fun on my own, it's better to care for yourself.
Hey y'all, good morning. It is the next day and here's what my twists are looking like. They are not 100% dry, and I was thinking about putting a little bit of a low heat to them in the blow dryer, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to wear this hairstyle to work, but not exactly like this. I'm just going to put a headband on and put my twist back, kind of like in a low bun, and then later today, once I get home from work, then I'm going to go ahead and take them out, or just wait until tomorrow morning and then take them out in the morning so they can be completely fresh for a new day. So I think that's what I'm going to do instead of putting any heat on my hair. And plus it's already like almost time for me to go to work. I did have an early morning, which I'm very happy about. I actually got up and, you know, did a little bit of a stretch and everything like that. Normally I don't do that. Anyways, that's not what you're here for. So we're going to meet again in another 24 hours and see what this hairstyle is looking like. All right. Good morning. It is a day later from the last clip, and excuse me if my voice sounds like this. I'm still waking up. I've been up officially since 5 o'clock, but you know, I kind of like was laying around in bed, and I decided I am going to be challenging myself to exercise or do a stretch in the morning and at night every day this week up until Friday, and then if I do, then I get to buy myself a mini bundt cake. So it's currently Wednesday. I'm not sure when this video is going to upload, if it's going to upload on Thursday, if it's going to upload on Friday. Excuse me. Depending on when this video uploads, then I'll put in the comments, you know, like where I'm at, how I'm doing my progress, or I'll follow up next week. Anyways, that's beside the point. I'm just trying to hold myself accountable to stretch and be active every day, because I notice my body has been aching a lot lately. I sit in a chair all day for work, so I rarely get time to just exercise. When I do, I go on my breaks when I can to like take a walk around the building. But that's just really not enough. So I'm trying to get more active and make sure that my body is, you know, nice, loose, and limber. And as you can tell, I'm cracking, snap, crackling, popping. Anyways, that's not why you're here. So this 3-strand twist out. Y'all, I don't know what this is looking like. I've had this on for 2 days now. My twists are completely 100% dry, and I was trying to change my shirt so that you guys can see how my results are coming out, because my hair is dark, this shirt is dark, so it's not really vibing really well. So I'll be right back. All right, so that's better. I don't have a ton of light color clothes. Most of my clothes are dark in black or gray or blue or purple. Anyways, so here we go. I did wear this hairstyle to work yesterday. I just put a scarf on, not a scarf, but a headband on, and then I just had it in a low ponytail so that I can still look decent going to work and not people looking at me like, what is she doing with her hair? And this is the first twist. Ooh, it's coming out pretty defined. Here, let me. Sorry, y'all, hold on. All right, so that is the first twist. And we're just gonna rock out from there.